Good morning, crypto enthusiast. Welcome to the Leap Podcast, your regular briefing on crypto markets from Leap Digital Investments. It's Friday, the 14th of November, 2025, and I'm Patrick Penn, your crypto specialist. Markets are extending yesterday's correction with the Fear and Greed Index at 15, firmly in extreme fear territory. Bitcoin at $98,803. Ethereum at $3,198. Solana at $142. Short-term pressure is unmistakable, yet on-chain and institutional data reveal a classic capitulation setup. Retail deleveraging meets strategic accumulation. Let's break it down, clear, concise, and data-driven. Let's leap in. Bitcoin, $98,803, minus 2.8%. BTC breached 100,000 after a Satoshi-era whale liquidated 1.2 billion, triggering a cascade. BlackRock and Fidelity ETFs recorded 2.3 billion in outflows, while long-term holders distributed 400,000 BTC or $43 billion over the past 30 days. Counterbalancing the sell-off, whales accumulated 45,000 BTC, this year's second largest single event build. JPMorgan estimates Bitcoin's production cost at about $94,000 USD, a level that historically serves as a strong foundation for price stability. The cost-to-price ratio implies limited further downside unless broader market conditions worsen. The bank maintains a 6 to 12 month target of 170,000 for one Bitcoin, viewing current levels as undervalued relative to gold. BTC technical price levels, 94,000 is the line in the sand. A hold here aligns with JPMorgan's floor and historical dip buying. Failure invites a retest of 85,000. Ethereum, $3,198, minus 6.6%. ETH underperformed, down 38% from recent highs, with a confirmed death cross, which is a 50-day moving average below a 200-day. Spot ETFs posted 183 million net outflows on the 12th of November. BlackRock alone sold 95.3 million. Long-term holders offloaded 400,000 ETH, which is about $1 billion. Institutional momentum led by JPMorgan, who deployed real bank deposits on Ethereum mainnet, enabling 24/7 settlements. SoFi became the first US bank to allow ETH direct purchases from regulated checking accounts, as they've already done with Solana. Fundstrat's Tom Lee reiterated a 15,000 year-end target. He is standing firm with that forecast. Time will tell. Key technical price levels: reclaim 3,400 to neutralize the death cross and target 3,800. Solana, $142.60, minus 7.3%. Sol declines, with active addresses at a 12-month low and Forward Industries nursing a $1.1 billion position at a 24% unrealized loss. ETF momentum remains unchanged. First US spot SOL ETF launches today. 7 providers go live through to the 22nd of November. cumulative inflows hit 369 million over 12 consecutive positive days. New York Stock Exchange introduced options trading on SOL ETFs. Solana price support zone $138 to $140. A bounce here mirrors 70% plus recoveries from similar despair phases in the past. XRP $2.30 minus 2%. First US spot XRP ETF launches in 24 hours. JPMorgan forecast 14 billion in inflows into the XRP ETF over the next 12 months. In summary, combined BTC ETH ETF outflows reached 461 million yesterday. 7 XRP ETFs are queued through to the 22nd of November, and Ethereum's Fusaka upgrade lands the 3rd of December. 11 nations now mine Bitcoin. Sovereign and corporate balance sheets continue to expand. Today's pullback shows retail investors exiting just as traditional finance rails go live. A classic clash of fear-driven selling and strategic accumulation. The paradox is clear. Extreme fear, 15, versus whale builds, ETF pipelines, and bank integrations. That's your crypto market brief for Friday, the 14th of November, 2025. For more information, please see the YouTube and Spotify descriptions. Stay disciplined, stay informed. Thanks for joining the Leap podcast.